And then the ANCOVA will identify which channels, marketing channels like marketing or, sorry, like Twitter, Facebook, are the drivers for the revenue. So my outcome variable is the revenue, but the explanatory variables are my marketing channels: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Verizon, AT&T, etc. So those explanatory variables try to explain the revenue. So, and then I will get a relative proportion, and I will identify, okay, Twitter is the main driver for your revenue, but the other ones are not drivers. Okay, so utilizing this methodology of ANCOVA allow you to detect these kind of patterns. Okay, so this is interesting, the ANCOVA part. I will find an article and share with you. And what else here? Dimensional reduction. And I don't know if you have heard about the principal component analysis. Okay, what's the problem? Let's say that I would like to predict energy consumption, but suddenly somebody, a data engineer, tell me, hey, I have 1,000 features to predict the energy consumption. So the question is, do I need 1,000 features or not? So the answer is no, I don't need it. So, and how do I remove the features or columns? What is a feature? Is a variable, an independent variable. So I need to remove the ones that doesn't contribute with the outcome. So then I create the principal component analysis. The one utilize eigenvectors and eigenvalues and the matrix of variance and covariance. So, and basically based on this, tell me, okay, only 20 features in one component are representative for this model. So you can select 20 features instead of 1,000, and then you run your predictive model. So that is dimension reduction. So instead of doing manually, the model will remove the variables that doesn't have high level of variability, and you will keep the ones with high variance. So in dimensional reduction, you are looking for to maximize the variance. That's the idea. So which variables provide to me the maximum variance? So this is SPSS. Let me close it. Okay, let me go back here. So, and you can spend a lot of time on these tools. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and most of the time, I spend learning a lot. My PhD is in engineering, so sometimes there are some difficult topics that I need to understand, and utilizing this tool allow me to do it. For instance, let's go to Databricks. Here, this is Databricks. Okay, so let me start a cluster. I already create my chat GPT cluster. I will create a new cluster. Let's say here, chat 001. And right now I'm creating a cluster here. So I can utilize the prompt to make questions directly from here. So instead of utilizing this, I can say prompt equal why business intelligence is important for IT players. So, why business intelligence is important for IT managers? So right now I'm waiting to load my cluster. If you see here, it's starting. And so here I'm utilizing my services of ChatGPT. So if I go to ChatGPT here, no, here, let me go here. OpenAI.com. What is the login? Here.
Professor, do we need to do this in our exam also?
No, no, I'm just trying to explain you this. This is the state of the art. Believe me, this is something new. And I start using this since September. By these days, this has more marketing. Yeah. But let me show you something here. View API keys and here usage. So let me show you my usage cumulative January. I don't know why it doesn't show. Usually show the usage of my here you can see how many times you utilize your API, your API. So look at this. I'm gonna hit click here. Python run and I'm processing. Look at this. I'm processing this. Actually, I start with this before ChatGPT. And right now it's processing this. Line 21. Where is the problem? Oh, it's missing the comma.